Hi, glad to see you on my channel. If you're my subscriber, then yay, welcome back. And if you aren't yet, please check out this channel. It has lots of tutorials, lip art videos, how-to videos, and also a lot of colorful reviews. And today I have filmed a tutorial for you for this makeup in traditional Halloween colors because I have painted my nails purple and orange and black. I'm not doing the nails in this video, just the makeup, but if you want to know more about my nail art techniques, I will put a link to another video in the description box. So let's go to the tutorial now. I'm starting with a sparkly purple eyeshadow, and I have already primed my eyes with a transparent primer. Now going for a warmer purple eyeshadow, this is Suva Beauty in BA. Finally, let's add some orange. Now let's blend the eyeshadow. Finally adding a pop of highlight under the brow. I will start sketching the wing and then I will remove the fallout. Okay, now let's remove the fallout. Applying some under eye concealer. Now it's time to draw the graphic liner. First of all, I'm gonna draw a devilish kind of wing. Now I will make it sparkle. Now I will prime the lower lid and put some eyeshadow there. Some mascara to finish the upper lid look. Adding some face highlight, and before I finish the eye makeup on my waterline, I will do my lips. First of all, I apply the purple lipstick as an outer part of the ombre. Then I apply the orange lipstick for the inner part. Okay, I did some diamond crushes for the sparkle, but I didn't really like the result, so I'm tuning down all that glitter with some metallic lipsticks. And finally, adding some black to my waterline. And I'm ready for Halloween! And this is it, guys! Your perfect Halloween colors makeup is ready. Happy Halloween! If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next video and hopefully on my Instagram page. Bye bye, loves!